You know, here at Davis Barco, we're really excited about longevity. We like life. We want to live a long, long time. But when we talk about longevity, we perhaps have a different viewpoint than most people. We don't think of living to be 70 or 80 or 90 or even 100 years old. No, we think in terms that are much longer than that. For example, we do know that many, not many, a few humans have lived to be 120 years old. Why can't we all? Hey, we're entitled. So a minimum objective that we have is 120 years. But we think beyond that. There are a number of reasons why we can expect to extend our lives beyond 120 years. For example, there are certain species that have very long lives. Bowhead whales live to be hundreds of years old. The naked mole rat lives to be 40 years old when most rats only live a few years. What is it in their genes that gives them this longevity? Remember, most of us share the DNA makeup, the genetic makeup that goes with all of these species. And so if there are secrets in their DNA that we can take advantage of, perhaps that is the opportunity to live much longer. Beyond that, we know that we're doing tests in labs today, for example with mice, where with certain therapies we're able to extend their lives by as much as 50%. Again, these therapies may well lead to therapies we can use as humans to live that extra time. Then, even more exciting is some of the work that was done over the last 15 years or so. Back in 2006, Senji Yamanaka in Japan started a program of research where he was able to reverse the cell age of human cells from very old back to embryonic. For this, he got a Nobel Prize in 2012. We think that this has great promise. There are hundreds of labs and researchers around the world working on this concept today, and they are attempting to, and succeeding in some ways, to reverse age. And so these, again, are great opportunities, but we don't want to be old and decrepit. We don't want to lose our vision, our hearing, have no teeth, not be able to walk. And that leads us to the concept of rejuvenation, and that's a topic for another talk.